when we want to mirror the screen into PC OBS Studio, we always use the mirror to HDMI adapter. For example, iPhone connect to the Lightning to HDMI adapter. It will become HDMI output. It will show the TV monitor. You see, the iPhone screen is mirror to the TV monitor, but you will see the black and black area. The center is for the mirror screen. Use the same idea. It also will show the black and black area in PC OBS Studio. The OBS Studio also show the black and black area. The real resolution is just 1/3 resolution. Just this one. Does the smartphone can be full screen mirror to the TV monitor? Like this one. Yes, this is what you want. The iPhone screen is full screen mirror to the TV monitor. You see? You just turn the TV monitor for the 90 degree. So the iPhone is full screen mirror to the TV monitor. For this idea, we can let the iPhone be full screen mirror to the OBS Studio. iPhone is mirror to the PC OBS Studio and the full screen. We just turn the video 90 degree and modify the output resolution. Yes, this is what you want. The full resolution is mirror to the PC OBS. It do not have the waste resolution. It do not have the black and black area. How do we mirror vertical screen into the TV monitor? Like this one. I will show you this product. This is Febon vertical full screen mirror adapter. This adapter have 3 connectors. One is a DC 5 voltage. The second is a USB-A connector. The third is HDMI output. If you use the iPhone, please prepare the Lightning to USB-A charge cable. Connect the Lightning cable to this adapter, USB-A, and connect the power, DC 5 voltage, and finally connect the HDMI output. You see? The iPhone will be mirror to the TV monitor for the vertical board. Of course, if you use the USB-C Android phone, please prepare the USB-C cable. Okay? Just change. And run the app, this one. And start. Yes, it will be mirror to the TV monitor. And use the Bluetooth to connect the audio. And Android phone also can mirror to the TV monitor. Of course, it also can run the PC OBS. Please just connect the capture card and connect to this adapter. Change. Android phone mirror to the PC OBS. Why we use this adapter? Because the full screen, this is full screen. This is full HD. So your resolution is 100% for this area. It do not waste any resolution. Use the same idea. iPhone mirror to the PC OBS full screen. And you also have audio. Full screen mirror to the TV monitor.
这是 Enter Mini Pro， 它本身有一个 HDMI 输出。
Use this idea. I also show you how to do the Instagram Live. This is a special design Android tablet. It do not have the internal front-end camera and the backup camera. We use the external HDMI 1 and the HDMI 2 to replace the internal camera. For the backup camera, we use the HDMI 2 to replace backup camera. And it also have a wire Ethernet. Now, I want to use the Android tablet to do the Instagram Live. I will use the backup camera, connect the Ethernet, and connect the HDMI source. It is very interesting. If we use the Apple Lightning to AB HDMI adapter, what will be happen? Connect it and the HDMI, and I turn on the Instagram Live, and I do the live training. Live. You see, the video is not vertical, so we cannot use the Lightning to AB adapter. I will use this one. This is a Fishbone full screen vertical mirror adapter. Okay, HDMI cable connect to this adapter, and the Lightning cable connect to this iPhone. And I will turn on the Instagram Live again. Yes, it is a full screen. Of course, we also can edit a camcorder. This is a camcorder. If you want to switch the video, camcorder, and the iPhone, you can edit the Enter Mini Pro video switcher. HDMI output connect to this one, and the iPhone video connect to the channel 2. Camcorder connect to the channel 1. Yes, the video is from the Enter Mini Pro. Channel 1 is camcorder, channel 2 is iPhone. Okay, we can do the live training. Live. Switch to the channel 1 and the audio turn on. Yes. When you do the live training, you can switch the channel. Okay, we can see the live training. Yes. Instagram Live with the Enter Mini Pro. When you use the Fishbone vertical full screen mirror adapter, it will let the smartphone vertical full screen mirror to the TV monitor. You also can do the vertical live training on your OBS Studio. The resolution is full screen, no cut, no waste your resolution. Thank you.